If you watch one video, you will earn $1.90. Watching 5 videos, you will earn $9.50. And watching 10 videos, you will earn over $19. This app is available worldwide, and it's completely free. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to YouTube and go to the Shorts section from there, so that you can watch the short videos here to make money online watching these videos. Now, all of us know about YouTube Shorts and how you can make money with it, but today I will be showing you all the new and secret way to make money online by watching these videos. So stay tuned until the end. And the good thing is that you can make money not just by watching YouTube videos, but also by watching Instagram Reels and TikTok videos, also known as TikTok. So using this method, you can use all of these 3 platforms, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, to earn money by watching videos. I will show you my secret method to make money by watching videos, and you can apply the same to all of these 3 platforms to maximize your earnings. But for this video, I would like to go with TikTok. Don't worry, if you are from India and you don't have TikTok in your country, because you can either use YouTube or Instagram for the same method I will be showing you here today, or you can just go to Google and search for a free VPN extension for Chrome. Select this link and you can add this extension to your Chrome browser. After that, you just need to turn on your VPN extension and search for TikTok, and you will see that you can use TikTok even if TikTok is not available in your country. This method works on both your PC device and your mobile device. But for our future videos, comment down below which device you use the most so that I can create more relevant videos for you guys. So now the second step. Once you create your account on TikTok and log into it, you will be on the dashboard of your TikTok account. Now I want you to go to the Explore page from here, and you will be able to see many different categories of the videos that you can select from here and watch them to make money watching videos. And I want you to select any one of the categories or niche topics from here, because if you select and watch one niche or category videos only, your chances of making money by watching them will be much higher than if you go with all the niches out there. And the best 3 niches you can choose from are: first, personal finance and making money online; second, meditation or manifestation niche; and third, health and fitness and weight loss niche. You can choose any one of the 3 niches I mentioned here, but for the purpose of this video, I am going with the weight loss niche. Now the third step is to come over to clickbank.com and create your account by clicking on login, and then just select the create an account here. Once you log in, I suggest you complete your profile there, and after that, just click on the affiliate marketplace from here. ClickBank is an affiliate marketing marketplace where you can get different digital and physical products to promote and earn commissions for promoting them on TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. And because today we have chosen to go with the weight loss niche, I want you to click here. And from health and fitness, I want you to select the diet and weight loss from there. And that's going to show you many different physical weight loss products that you can promote on your TikTok account or on your YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to get commissions just like you are seeing on your screen. So for example, if we want to promote this product Slim Crystal from there, for every sale that we get, we will earn over $116 in commission for it, which is just awesome. And to start promoting this product, you just need to click on this promote button, and your affiliate link will be copied, which you can then paste into the bio of your TikTok account. And the next thing you need to do is to create TikToks for this product with a CTA to click the link in the bio so that you can post those TikToks to your account on TikTok or YouTube and Instagram Reels, where people will see your videos about this product and they will go to your bio and visit the product site. And even if only 5 people buy the product daily using your affiliate link, you will be earning over $500 daily. So I will show you one free way and one paid way to create videos for the product. Starting with the best way to create your videos, you can use Viral Ecom Ads, or also known as VEA. Viral Ecom Ads is one of the best ad service providing companies for dropshipping products, and they have made over 80,000 video ads for more than 35,000 clients. The owners of this company have generated over $40 million in e-commerce sales by using the videos made by Viral Ecom Ads. You can see some 7-figure dropshipping entrepreneur names in their reviews section, like Scott Hilsa, Sarah Finance, and Sebastian. For the purpose of this video, you can go with VEA ads to create your product videos, because if you are an affiliate marketer or a dropshipper or planning to do dropshipping as your career, then you must know that you need video ads to be successful in this field. And there's no way around it. Even if you test with stolen or bad content, it significantly reduces your odds of finding success with dropshipping or affiliate marketing. You'll end up burning through money, which isn't good, especially if you're on a tight budget. Even you put yourself at risk of getting permanently banned from running ads. Viral Ecom Ads helps you avoid all of these hurdles and helps you to get success with your dropshipping and affiliate marketing store by providing you with proven to convert video ads. VEA's videos are created using a proven strategy that the owners of the company have personally found winners and scaled stores with. So to create your product's video for TikTok, I want you to click on the video ads option and select the video ad packages from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can find 3 different ad packages: Meta Split Testing Package, Meta Ad Package, and TikTok Split Testing Package. The owners of Viral Ecom Ads are active in e-commerce and are constantly updating the video ad packages based on the current trends and what is currently working for themselves and other dropshippers and affiliate marketers. You can see the different case studies of their users and the amount of revenue they generated using VEA on your screen right now. And because we want to create the TikTok videos, I want you to select the TikTok Split Testing Package from there. That's going to take you to this page where you can see that you will get 3 ad variations for one product for just $12.50 if you are a VIP member. For non-members, the fee will be $50. If you buy 3 TikTok Split Testing packages, you will just pay $130 and you will save $20. For the 5 TikTok package, you will pay $200 and you will save $50, and so on. Now, if you want the text to be added to your TikTok video ads, you need to pay just $50 more, and your video ad will look more engaging and entertaining. And if you also want to add a male or female voiceover to your video, you just need to select it from here and pay $50 more for it. The duration of the ad will be 15 to 20 seconds, and you will get the delivery within 24 hours if you are a VIP member. So you just need to place place your order for the package that fits your business needs. You will receive an email with a link to fill out your product ad submission form, where you have to fill in some details required about your product to create the videos for you. You will receive your video ad within 1 to 3 business days in your email if you are a non-VIP member. And the good thing is that you can ask for unlimited revisions within 7 days from delivery. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the different ad creatives here and the revenue these ad creatives have generated for different users of VEA. Now, let me show you one of the ad creatives.
You dread the post-party cleanup? Say no more. The automatic cup washer is here to save the day. Effortlessly clean your cups with a simple push and spend more time enjoying your drinks. Don't miss out. Check out the link now and make dishwashing a breeze.
As you can see, the quality of VEA's video ads is quite impressive. They are engaging, entertaining, and most importantly, they are high-converting videos. Now, becoming a VIP member on Viral Ecom Ads will get you a ton of benefits, like getting 75% off on all video ad packages, getting 24-hour delivery and revisions, delivery even on weekends, and providing you with priority support. It allows you to save a ton of money if you're testing products consistently. So you can just press this button to join VIP members. Now, if you click the UGC ads option and select the Viral Ecom creators from there, you will see that VEA also provides you Viral Ecom Creators platform, where you get to set your own rate per video that fits within your budget. You can see some of the previous work from here, and you can see the creatives delivered, organic views gained, and the sales generated using these UGC creatives. Now, the good thing is that you can communicate directly with creators through their software chat feature. There is no limit to the amount of creators you can get or the amount of UGC. I will leave my affiliate link in the description of this video, which will help you get 15% discount on any package you buy. The discount won't last for long, so click the link in the description and buy your video ads package today. And if you want me to show my earnings from Viral Ecom Ads, then help me get over 4,000 likes on this video. Now, the free way to create your videos for TikTok is to create them yourself. All you need to do is to watch some of these videos that are promoting some products, like this video promoting the CMOS product. You can watch 5 to 10 videos like this, and it will give you a good idea of how to showcase your products on TikTok. So just write down the important points from these videos and write your own script for your product. Then just go to the 11 Labs, and here you can use 10,000 voice characters for free to create your videos. One of the most famous voices is Adam, which you can yourself listen to in 11 Labs. After you get the voiceover done from here, you can use the CapCut app on your phone to edit the video for completely free, and you can get the necessary stock footage and images from Pixabay and Pexels for free. After that, you will be ready with your video, which you will be posting on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. I suggest you create at least 10 to 15 videos for one product and promote one and only one product using your one account. Create another account to promote another product, because this will increase your conversion rates on TikTok, and you will be easily getting 5 sales a day, which will make you over $500 in a day. And all you will be doing is watching the videos on TikTok, YouTube, or on Instagram. Choose a niche from there and select the products to promote to that niche from ClickBank. And boom, you are making over $500 a day. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.